Welcome back to Mornings on 2. As a storm is bringing wind and rain to our area, that same storm is causing problems for parts of Southern California. Several communities living near the burn areas from this year's wildfires are now under evacuation orders. The heavy rain could bring mudslides and debris flow. Safety officials are urging people keep the roads clear so that the storm debris can better flow through the neighborhoods. They also say the winds after the storm could add another layer of problems.
You want to open those windows and get some fresh air. There's a cost. When that wind blows, it's going to let that debris and all the particulate from the smoke is going to come back into your house. Keep your windows closed.
The restoration efforts could take years in the areas affected by the wildfires. Now, the restoration company in charge has completed more than 250 cleanup jobs at a number of schools, neighborhoods, and businesses. It also recently completed a job at a church in Sierra Madre in Southern California. It sustained significant smoke damage and had to temporarily close multiple buildings on the property, including the church and school. Father Tom Baker says the first Mass back at the church was last Friday, right after Ash Wednesday. And he says the timing of it all feels like a divine message.
The Lenten journey is towards Easter and towards resurrection. And I think we're in a place where we're looking forward to that. The whole process of healing and bonding together and resurrecting as a community of faith.
Since the fires began, St. Rita Catholic Parish has been using its collections to help community members who have been impacted by the fires.